Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to export specific frames from your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is a really useful tool to use when, for example, you want to export a frame. So you can use it to create a thumbnail, for example, for one of your videos. You'd like to add some touch-ups or some text to your thumbnail before you upload it to a website like YouTube. So to get started, simply find the frame in your timeline which you'd like to export. So let's say I have two clips here, and let's say I want to export this frame right here, precisely right here. So it's really easy. All you have to do is click on this camera button or use the keyboard shortcut Control Shift E, and it's going to show this pop-up window. So you can browse. I'm going to save it to my pictures. Gonna select this folder, and you can also change the format. So you can have it as a PMP file or a PNG or a JPEG, which are more common. I'm going to use a PNG, and then I'm going to click on OK. There's also an option here if you'd like to import it into the project automatically. For example, if you'd like to use it as a freeze frame or a reference. So I'm going to click on OK, and it has exported the frame. So I'm going to check in my pictures folder, and it should be right here. There we go. So it exports it in the full quality of your source footage. So it's really useful to export the highest quality file for thumbnail creation. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.